Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be going over how to connect your Govee Floor Lamp 2 to DreamView. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who have a Govee TV Backlight 3 and they want their Govee Floor Lamp 2 to connect to DreamView. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is that you want to go ahead and make sure that your Govee TV Backlight 3 is turned on. Next, click on the bottom left-hand side where it's that second circle icon, and then click on DreamView. Now on this page here, click on Manage the Device, and then you want to find your Floor Lamp 2. So we're going to select Floor Lamp 2, then click on Confirm. Now this is where you can actually set certain colors to your Floor Lamp 2. So if your Floor Lamp 2 is to the right side of your TV as depicted in the example picture, click on the 4 dropper tool and then click on your Floor Lamp 2. Then we'll click on 5. Then we'll click on 6 and then click on our Floor Lamp 2. So you can see that it matches the colors on your Floor Lamp 2. Afterwards, click on Confirm. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect the Govee Floor Lamp 2 to the DreamView. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.